For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of struggling to navigate the night sky with just a faint star chart? The Celestron StarSense Explorer LT 114 promises to revolutionize your stargazing experience with its cutting-edge technology and sleek design. But here's what surprised me: this telescope is not just for hobbyists, it's also a powerful tool for scientists and educators. Therefore, I'm going to take you on a journey through the features of this incredible device. Firstly, let's talk about the mount system /N. The StarSense Explorer LT 114 comes with an advanced computerized altazimuth mount that provides smooth and precise movement. This means you can track celestial objects with ease, even if they're faint or far away. But what really impressed me was the speed at which it adjusted to my changes. Within seconds, I could be tracking a new target. Now let's dive into the heart of this telescope, the StarSense technology /N. This innovative feature uses your smartphone or tablet to detect and adjust for polar alignment, ensuring accurate and stable tracking. It's like having a personal assistant for stargazing. But what if you're not tech-savvy? Don't worry, the Celestron app guides you through every step of the process, making it accessible to beginners and pros alike. But there's more /N. The StarSense Explorer LT 114 also features an advanced camera system with a high-resolution sensor and a wide-angle lens. This means you can capture stunning images of celestial objects, from vibrant stars to distant galaxies. Therefore, whether you're a seasoned astronomer or just starting out, this telescope will help you take your observations to the next level. So what are the specs /N? Here's a quick rundown: 114 mm aperture, 700 mm focal length, and a sturdy steel tripod for maximum stability. But don't let these numbers fool you. This telescope is designed for real-world performance. I was blown away by its ability to pick up faint objects in low-light conditions. But what about portability? /N. The Celestron StarSense Explorer LT 114 weighs in at just under 15 pounds, making it the perfect companion for road trips or outdoor excursions. And with a compact design, you can easily transport it between locations without sacrificing any performance. Therefore, whether you're exploring the backyard or venturing into the wilderness, this telescope has got you covered. Let's talk about maintenance /N. The Celestron StarSense Explorer LT 114 is designed for ease of use and low upkeep. The mount system is intuitive to navigate, and the camera software comes with automatic updates to ensure compatibility with the latest devices. But what if something goes wrong? Don't worry, Celestron offers a comprehensive warranty program that covers repairs and replacements. But I'm getting ahead of myself /N. Let's revisit the main question. Can this telescope live up to its promises? After putting it through its paces, I can confidently say yes. The Celestron StarSense Explorer LT 114 exceeded my expectations in every area: image quality, tracking accuracy, and ease of use. Therefore, if you're in the market for a new telescope, look no further than the Celestron StarSense Explorer LT 114 /N. This device has broken down barriers between hobbyists and scientists, and it's changing the face of stargazing forever. But don't just take my word for it, try one out for yourself. The final verdict is clear. The Celestron StarSense Explorer LT 114 is an exceptional tool that deserves a spot in every astronomy enthusiast's collection /N. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting to explore the night sky, this telescope will deliver unparalleled performance and stunning results. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Get ready to take your stargazing experience to new heights.